ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 18, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 8. ದೇವೇಂದ್ರಂ ಮುಹುರಿತಿ ವಾಜಿನಂ ಹರಂತಂ ವಹ್ನೌ ತಂ ಮುನಿವರಮಂಡಲೆ ಜುಹೂಷೌ ರುಂದಾನೆ ಕಮಲಭವೆ ಕ್ರತೋಃ ಸಮಾಪ್ತೌ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ತ್ವಂ ಮಧುರಿಪುಂ ಐಕ್ಷತಾಃ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸ್ವಂ. Word by word meaning. Iti, in this manner. Muhuhu, Vajinam Harantam, who was stealing the horse again and again. Tam, Indra. Munivara Mandale, when the sages. Vahnau, Juhushau, were about to offer as an oblation into the fire. Kamalabhave, Rundane, Brahma preventing it. Kratoho Samaptau, at the end of the yajna. Tvam Swayam Swam Madhuripum Sakshat Aikshataha, thou didst see before thee Mahavishnu, who is thyself. Full meaning. When the sages were about to offer as an oblation into the fire, Indra, who was repeatedly stealing the horse, they were prevented by Brahma. At the end of the yajna, thou didst see before thee the slayer of the demon Madhu, Mahavishnu, who is none other than thyself. Om Tat Sat.